Back to school season's here, and that means it's time for a new school supply haul. To help you narrow down your choices, we've curated 3 special kits. Plus, each set hits the free shipping minimum in the US on our site. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started. Studying and Exam Kit. When you're studying, eye-catching stationery shouldn't be the priority. We've chosen simple and straightforward items that will help you focus both before and during an exam. First up is the Pentel Calm Ballpoint Pen. It features a quiet click mechanism that's easy on your hands and considerate to those around you. Useful when you're studying in the library or taking a test. Next, we have a set of Sunstar Nini P highlighters. While they may look strange at first, these markers are super convenient. Since the tips are right next to each other, you'll spend less time fiddling with the pen and more time studying. Not to mention, they're already color-coded. A Kokuyo Campus Smart Ring Binder Notebook is slim and light and lets you rearrange pages like a traditional binder without the clunkiness. It comes with 10 sheets of smooth Campus Sara paper, but we suggest filling it with Campus Loose Leaf Study Planner paper too. You can plan out coursework and track your study habits. The sheets are available in practical designs: daily planner, daily list, weekly planner, and 2-week layout. Finally, a pack of medium-sized Kokuyo Information Index cards completes this kit. These work perfectly as review flashcards. The front side is ruled while the back side is gridded, so you can use them for a variety of subjects. Homework and Note-Taking Kit. This kit is geared to make writing your homework and in-class notes more enjoyable. With a multi-pen like the Pilot Acroball Spotlighter 3-color, you get most of your writing tools in one body. The pen comes with 3 colors of smooth Acroball ink and a highlighter at the top for easy access. Its comfy grip prevents your hand from slipping when you're rushing to copy everything on the board. The versatile Sunstar Nicolo multi-mechanical pencil is especially great for math and classes that require finer details. It comes with 2 lead sizes. Write notes with the 0.5mm size and switch to the 0.3mm tip for graphs, formulas, or extra notes between lines. Pair it with a retractable Tombow Mono stick eraser and you're good to go. For your notebook, go with a Maruman Spiral Note Basic Notebook. Although its looks are humble, it's versatile and offers wonderfully smooth paper. The pages are perforated for clean and easy removal, so turning in homework is a breeze. Lastly, we recommend Cluster Japan Pita Index Tab Sticky Notes. These colorful sticky notes have plenty of space for notes, while the top tab can be used as an index tab. Organizing Kit. To stay on top of your studies and classes, you need to be organized first. These tools will ensure you keep track of classwork and documents, plus daily essentials like your phone and pens. You're inevitably going to juggle lots of paper during the school year. Keep them organized in one place with a Lee-Hit Lab Bloomin' Expanding File. The left hinges are shorter, so it's easier to locate documents without pulling them out fully. For an extra level of tidiness, a Maruman Clarté binder provides colorful index tab dividers, as well as cutouts in its front cover, so you can see subjects at a glance. The rings are easy to open, so you won't accidentally injure yourself. The High Tide Nia General Purpose Case is perfect for carrying essentials. It's extra useful if you just have one class or a project meeting. You can fit some stationery and a phone in the front compartment and thin belongings in the back pocket. If you prefer a traditional pen case, the Lee-Hit Lab Smart Fit Act Compact Pen Case has you covered. Though compact, it can fit a small memo pad alongside pens. Its exterior is also water and stain resistant. Which of these kits did you like best? What other school supplies would you use? Tell us in the comments. All these products are linked in the description below and on jetpens.com, the place for pen and stationery lovers. Back to school season's here, and that means it's time for a new school supply haul. That's me trying to be other voiceover person. He has a very deep voice, so I'm just trying to get cadence correct. Just insert
This
that clip
summer,
onto this clip. Get ready.
for back to
The
real
breadth
school.
and depth of his voice I
And the
cannot
best
do.
part,
Shopping. Are you ready for BTS? It's not the BTS you're thinking of, I can assure you. Sorry, if you came here for that BTS, you can stay, but they're not here. Sorry, I was gonna laugh because of Nini B. So I stopped. Nia. Don't come Nia me. Don't come high-tide Nia general purpose case near me. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace out, Cub Scout. Do well at school. Buy all the stationery. Study well. Get hyped for school! You can do it! Make your school dreams come true!